Your hairline is retreating, and suddenly every single social media ad you see is promising a miracle inside of a hat. It is called the Revyve Hair Regrowth Cap. It looks like something straight out of a low budget sci fi movie. You put it on, it glows a deep red, and suddenly your dormant hair follicles are supposed to wake up and start thriving again. The technology itself is not actually total nonsense. We are talking about low level light therapy. This concept has been around for a while now. Researchers have studied how specific light wavelengths can improve blood flow to the scalp and give those tired follicles a much needed energy boost. Some devices out there even have official medical clearances from the government. But when a brand new player like Revyve enters the game with massive promises, we have to look at the fine print very carefully. This website basically popped up yesterday. It is so fresh that scan detection tools are throwing up massive red flags and labeling it as a high-risk site. That does not automatically mean the product is a total fake, but it should definitely make you pause. They are out here claiming that nearly everyone sees results in just 4 weeks. That is a very bold statement. Real hair growth is a slow and painful process. It is a biological marathon rather than a sprint. Even the most powerful prescription treatments on the market take months to show any real visible change. When a brand tells you that you will see a massive transformation in 30 days, they are playing on your desperation and your hopes. I have seen people on forums and across the internet getting really skeptical about these viral products. They use these incredible before and after photos that often look a little too perfect to be real. Sometimes the images even look like they were generated by a computer or heavily edited to hide the truth. You have to wonder if you are buying a high-end wellness device or just a cheap piece of plastic that someone bought in bulk for a few dollars and marked up by a massive percentage. The technology of red light is supported by some science. But is this specific brand actually using that technology correctly? That is the real question. There are almost no independent reviews from actual humans yet. You will not find a community of people on message boards or video platforms swearing by this specific cap. Most of the glowing praise lives right on their own website where they control the narrative entirely. That is always a reason to keep your guard up. If you are feeling frustrated with thinning hair, you might be tempted to click buy right now. My advice is to slow down and breathe. If you do decide to take the plunge, you have to protect yourself. Use a credit card with solid fraud protection or a payment service that lets you easily dispute the charge if the product never arrives or turns out to be a piece of junk. Do not expect to wake up with a thick mane of hair in a few weeks. Biology simply does not work that way. This is a gamble. It is a high-stakes bet on a brand that has not proven itself to the public yet. We all want to believe in a magic glowing hat, but right now, the evidence is just too thin to call it a sure thing. Stay cautious and keep your expectations grounded in reality.